Okay, so NIO stock is crashing this week, completely rejecting the strong bullish reaction we had last week, doing what seems to be a bull trap. What's more, NIO failed in breaking important resistance levels, and this indicates not only weakness, but that NIO is in a very delicate and even dangerous position right now. However, it is precisely in dangerous times that we see the most appealing opportunities, and there is still hope that NIO could react, could recover. Yes, there is, but it won't be easy. So let's start our multiple time frame analysis on NIO stock. My name is Nathan. Welcome to the Finance Hydra channel. So let's start looking at this chart over here. This is NIO's daily chart. In the daily chart, last week we did a very good bullish structure. We broke the 9.52, this red line over here, doing a higher high, higher low, triggering a bullish pivot point. Maybe you are going to say, Nathan, did we trigger an inverse head and shoulders? Yes, that's a real possibility as well. However, this week we are completely, or at least trying to completely frustrate last week's reaction, because we found a very strong support level which I was not expecting around the $10, 10.62. This key point was a previous support level on January 19. It was a support level multiple times in February over here. It did work as a resistance level on February, and right now, recently, it did act as a resistance level again. And right now, NIO has been doing nothing but crashing after retesting this key point. What's more, we are losing the 9.52 again, along with the 21 EMA. So this is incredibly frustrating. But why do I say that there is still hope that NIO could react? Because although we are crashing, we are not seeing lower highs, lower lows in the daily chart yet. We see last week we saw a higher high, higher low. Right now we are crashing, but it seems we are doing an equivalent low over here. Right now we are trying to stabilize above this support level, above around $8.83, this area over here, this black line. We are just stabilizing above this area. If NIO triggers any meaningful bullish reaction above this support level, then okay, maybe the bullish bias will persist, maybe NIO will resume its old pattern of higher highs, higher lows, and it will try to retest this purple trend line up here. But right now, we have yet to see a meaningful bullish reaction confirming a bottom at this area. Because right now, there is a difference between trading in a bottom and, trading in a support level and doing a bottom sign. Sometimes we trade in support levels, but not every single time we are above a support level that we see a bottom sign. So we gotta see the confirmation of a bottom sign in the daily chart above $8.83. Right now we are stabilizing. Good. This is the first step for a bullish reaction, but we don't see confirmation of a bottom sign yet. If we take a look at the 1 hour chart, we can see better this support level, right? The 8.83. This support level did work 1, 2, 3, 4 times today, and right now we are trying to bounce. What is the problem? The problem is that NIO is still in a bear trend in the 1 hour chart at least. We are doing lower highs, lower lows. We are trading below the 21 EMA, and the 21 EMA is pointing downwards. Now, in theory, NIO is supposed to lose the 8.83 because we are in a bear trend in the 1 hour chart. In this scenario, we are going to seek lower support levels. I don't believe the $8 over here is going to hold it for too long. I believe NIO could easily crash to lower price levels, but it all depends on how NIO is going to react over here in the daily chart. Now, in the daily chart, short term speaking, we are in a bull trend. We did a higher high, higher low. We did trigger a head and shoulders chart pattern. It is quite problematic to see NIO crashing that much over here. But even if we see a bullish reaction, the main resistance level, in my humble opinion, is still this purple trend line over here. As long as NIO remains under this purple trend line, the bullish bias will not persist for too long. I believe mid-term rallies are expected, but this is not a true, meaningful bullish reaction. If we take a look at the weekly chart, in the weekly chart, NIO is still very bearish. We are inside a descending channel. We are not doing any meaningful bullish reaction. I mean, last week we did an upwards breakout from the $9.40, which was a very good indicator. But in the end, it seems the 21 EMA is working as a major resistance level as well. And just like in the 1 hour chart, the trend is bearish in the weekly chart. We are doing nothing but lower highs, lower lows, trading below the 21 EMA. The 21 EMA is pointing downwards. So in this scenario, right now, NIO is doing a bearish candlestick pattern. It is doing what seems to be a tweezer stop candlestick pattern. And this scenario brings us to more downside. Therefore, this is why I'm telling you guys, it is very important to watch how NIO is going to react above this support level. Remember, trading is reactive, it is not predictive. If you want to join the community of the top 5% of traders that can actually make money while beating this market, take a look at my website. The link is in the description. Model portfolios, options, strategies, daily premium analysis, and much more. Now, back to NIO's chart over here. If we take a look at the monthly chart, in the monthly chart, NIO is still kind of struggling in a congestion, right? For many months, since October 2022, we have been doing nothing but moving sideways. It looks like a barcode, right? And we are just inside this congestion, which maybe some of you guys are going to say, Nathan, this could be a very small descending triangle chart pattern. Well, this is a real possibility. Either way, this purple trend line is the major resistance level here in the daily chart, in my humble opinion, and only a crystal clear breakout to any direction, either breaking this purple trend line upwards or losing this support level. Only a true breakout is going to bring something new on NIO stock. Right now, it feels like we are just inside a very dangerous trap zone. Of course, I'm going to keep you guys updated on NIO stock. Therefore, remember to subscribe. If you are still not my subscriber, click on the like button to support me. Thank you very much. Have a great holiday. Have a great weekend. Stay safe, my dear friends. Bye-bye.